Got these covers here. They're raw plastic. A lot of people end up painting them. These were painted. So I can't paint them because they don't look right, so I'm going to use a vinyl dye on them. See how it has that plastic look? But it looks nice and fresh. I use it in the paint gun, but they also have it in a spray can. Moving on to the exhaust canister, this is the way it's supposed to look. It's just a glossy black on the 93 and 94s. So I'm going to sand it all the way down, and then I'm going to use an etch primer and then just seal it and paint it. This is the last video of doing the body restoration and some of the components on a 93900rr. I have a complete video from start to finish, but I also broke them down in the sections if you need to check those out, where I did the tail, the front, the mids, the lower, and then some of the components. So feel free to check those out if you'd like.